This is a 2016 Ford F-250 Super Duty Platinum Black over brown leather interior. Dual power seats, memory seating on the driver's side, power windows, locks, heated power mirrors, leather and wood steering wheel, navigation, satellite radio, upfitter switches, trailer brake controls, home link for your garage door, Bluetooth for your phone. There's a look at the rear seats, running boards, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, backup camera, hard tonneau cover, bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by the 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel with lots of torque. Certified by Ford, and like all pre-owned vehicles at Autonation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.